Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to set a left tab stop at 4 inches in Microsoft Word for precise text alignment. Tab stops are essential for creating neat layouts, structured documents, forms, and aligned text sections without using tables. In this video, we will discover the correct way to set tab stops using the ruler and paragraph setting so your text align perfectly at the 4-inch mark. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now we want to add the left tab stops 4 inch. At first go to the first of the page, then go to the home menu and click the paragraph setting, then go to the tab setting and we can see here the 0.5. Now I am right 4, then click OK, then press tab on your keyboard. Then we can see here the tab stops is 4 inch. Now you can see we add the left tab stop 4 inch in Word very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.